Reckless Savage is the best Gymbro you can ever ask for. Let's talk about him. Starting with his first appearance in the novel, Reckless Savage transforms into something the size of heaven and earth, so big that tribulations could not move him. He then swallowed a rank 8 beast whole in one bite, and afterwards a new totem just appears on his belly, one of countless others he's collected the exact same way. To recap, he devours desolate beasts, grows a totem from each one, and can then use those totems to transform into the beast, or even better, just borrow their innate abilities while staying in his own human form, which is quasi-venerable combat strength and versatility. To Reckless Savage, cool means strength. Muscles are cool. That's why he made Strength Path. That's why he made Transformation Path too, since turning into beast and stealing their powers is awesome to him. We see this in chapter 2114, where the people of Myriad Beast Fusion Color Heaven see the dark, rough, muscular skin as beautiful. Hey Lulan, who's actually a dime, gets called ugly just because she doesn't look strong. That's our Gymbro's whole worldview turned into a society. This is also probably why he hates goo worms, since they're fragile and easy to break. He likes straight up fights and hates anything sneaky. There's also something strange in chapter 1956, where his inheritance switches between two voices, one calm, one loud and childish. That might mean he has some kind of split personality, like Thieving Heaven Demon Venerable. His goal is pretty simple: become the strongest being alive. He's never fought another Venerable before, so he's most likely itching for that fight. It wouldn't be surprising if he goes after the first Venerable he sees the moment he's revived, or even tries to do a one-on-one combat against every single Venerable just to prove that he's the strongest. I cannot forget about chapter 1956, where Star Constellation's Wheel offers our Gymbro the easy path to become an immortal Venerable and use that power to destroy Fate Goo. But our Gymbro shuts it down instantly because the title of Demon Venerable sounds much cooler than Immortal Venerable. Then he starts flexing his arms and showing off his bloody human skin cape just because it looks cool. Now, the theory is that our Gymbro will switch to Footpath Venerable. Why? Because of the author's foreshadowing from chapter 597, the first appearance of Reckless Savage, swallowing beast and turning them into totems, and chapter 2105, where Feng Yuan finds Reckless Savage's note hidden in Tiannan's True Inheritance, a refinement method powerful enough to refine the entire Heavenly Tao. So Reckless Savage is probably going to take inspiration from the Inheritance, but as refinement path isn't really his style, he will switch to food path instead and devour heaven, human, and earth, refining them in his belly to become part of his body and create the coolest totem ever.